reason. All right, guys, so we are here and we are first going to the Wli Waterfalls. I've been here several times. The kids have too, but I think my daughter's the only one that really remembers. My son doesn't remember at all. The last time we came here, he was 5 or 6, so he doesn't remember it at all. So there's different ways that you can go, and we're taking the shorter way in order to get to the top point. So we just started, so we're hoping to do this, and then also going to Mount Attribution. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I got my tennis shoes on, so I should be fine. I got my water with me, and yeah, here we go. Okay guys, so we took a detour to go to Wli Waterfall. I believe we're going to the mountain after this hike. So they said it's supposed to be like 45 minutes to the Wli Waterfall, and then another 15 minutes to look at the upper falls. But going all the way to the upper falls would, I think, be another hour. So we're not doing all of that because we're gonna be walking a lot today. But we just started walking. My heart rate's already up. I got my water, and yeah, I got my water.
That is sad. My heart rate is already up. We literally just started walking.
On the bridge. Yeah, about to fall. Walking on this little bridge, across the river. Oh, sorry, Mom.
What do you think? I'm walking up the stairs. Cardboard box walked up a shore. Where? That's not a box. That's a car.
Stop acting.
You know, this is why I'm glad I got zip up pockets. No, I'm taking the sturdier path because I got a phone in my hand and it's already experiencing me down. Hey, they're getting a little far. Last time they gave us the eyes of losers, and I don't like being such a loser.
For the pre-drill, I'm gonna miss. Yeah, tell them that you did your exercises. I'm sure my cardio must be much better than when before we got here. So I don't know how long we've been walking. Probably about 10-15 minutes, and we are making progress. Now I'm glad that I do exercises, because this is, to me, a typical cardio exercising walking, and yeah. So thankfully there's a lot of trees, so the sun is not beaming down on our heads and backs, because that would make the walk a little bit more difficult, okay, for me at least, because I hate, well, who wants to walk directly in the sun? But anyway, I'm trying to make sure I walk to keep up with my husband and my brother-in-law, because I don't want to get too far behind me. And the kids are behind me, and then our friend Kwame is behind them. So yeah, we're making progress, guys.
As well as plastic and stuff, and pollution. Got the small habitat. It's bad. These chickens can roam around.
It's very nice. I've never seen a mountain like straight up like that.
Yeah.
They're gone. Nope.
Scenic view, you gotta watch for it.
What?
That's okay.
We didn't say we wanted the scenic view. We was going to the waterfall.
I could Google it and see many views, scenic views.
Now, all right, you all, we are not at the fall. Well, we are at the falls, but we took a scenic route. The climb up was ridiculous. And I don't care about walking, but I just like to be prepared if I know that I'm going to be trekking for a long period of time, so I can wrap my head around it. But some people just like to just walk. Anyway, we're up here, and now we have to go down. So let me show y'all what it looks like, because it is not like, it is literally walking up some steep rocks and stuff.
Here.
Hey guys,
The one in Konya Route,
so we
not too
made
far
it.
behind, right?
It felt like maybe 20 minutes. That's what it felt like. It was a pretty steep walk, but we made it to the upper view, or the view of the upper falls. It actually takes much longer to actually get up there, but we're not taking that. We're not.
So this is the stick that I've been using to help me get up this. The guide had a stick that helped to keep me from falling, because I probably would have fell. Okay, I'm just being honest. My daughter's back there acting silly. So now we're going back down, and I'm using my stick to go back down. It's gonna be a long way down. We are down from this view, and I will show some footage from my husband's camera of me going down this thing with a walking stick, guys. It was not fun. As you can see, I am dripping in sweat out here. Yeah, I thought I was in shape, guys. I really did. I think that I am in shape, but going up there makes me feel like I'm not exercise at all.
You thought Toby was fast.
We saw a spider and a spider web. We should be almost to the waterfall.
So the spider would get up.
Anyway, yeah, that was not fun. Bless it. It's your hip.
When you see the top, make your hands like this, then you see the back. That's small things hanging on the stone. That is the back. Look back. You saw it?
Yeah.
No.
And we made it to the falls. This is the lower falls. The upper one is farther away. And it takes a longer time to get there. So we came to this one. I've been here before, actually. I have traveled to the top one before too, but that's been years ago. And it was very long to get up there. So, yeah.
Very beautiful.
We have been back for a while from Wli Waterfalls. I did make an outro in the car, but the windows were down. You couldn't hear what I was saying. And so I decided to make an outro when we got back. We've been here for a little while and I totally forgot and remembered that I needed to do an outro. So anyways, we did not get to Mount Afajito today. You see me pause, so I was making sure I didn't mispronounce the word. We did not get to the mountain today. Once we got up to Wli Waterfalls, it was already 11 something and we had to get back. So we didn't have time to climb the mountain, but that was perfectly fine with me because the walk that we did was enough for today. All right, so I hope that you enjoyed this video of us going to Wli Waterfalls. I am Michele Mazelleغ. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.